Did you ever wonder that there are such many laws in the universe that is making and breaking the conditions around you? So here I am introducing 12 laws of universe which I came across recently and would like to share with you. First one is Law of Divine Oneness. Law of Divine Oneness states that everything is connected. Everything in the universe is an extension of the source. The next law is Law of Correspondence. Law of Correspondence is a direct reflection of your internal state. Law of correspondence states that your external reality is a direct reflection of your internal state, assesses the alignment of your vibration. The third law is the law of inspired action. The law of inspired action states inspiration will come about when you are aligned with who you are, which is an extension of Source. The fourth law, law of cause and effect. For every cause there is an effect, which we have already studied in Newton's third law. Law of cause and effect states, in life our thinking is the cause and our experiences are the effects of those thoughts. Interesting, right? The next law is Law of Relativity. Law of Relativity, as stated by Albert Einstein, states everything is relative because we all perceive reality in our own ways. Prioritize inner peace over defending the truth because truth is relative. The next law is Law of Rhythm. Law of rhythm states cycles are a natural part of universe, just like the 4 seasons, and life has seasons too. The next law is Law of Vibration. Law of Vibration states everything in this world is made up of energy that is vibrating at a specific frequency. The more you resonate with such frequency, whether it is bad or good, you start attracting the same. The next law is Law of Attraction. The law of attraction, as you know, is in present trend, and it states like attracts like. Your energy is constantly attracting things that are a vibrational match for it. So if you're at good frequency, you start attracting the good vibrational frequencies towards you. Next law is Law of Perpetual Transmutation of Energy, and it states energy is constantly evolving and fluctuating and is neither being destroyed nor created. The next law is Law of Compensation. Law of compensation says, you reap what you sow. What you give others shall be given to you, which has to be kept in mind in present day. What you withhold from others will be withheld from you. The next law is Law of Polarity. Law of Polarity states everything in life has an opposite. For every problem there is a solution. For every obstacle there is an opportunity. Keep faith in the universe. The next and last law, the 12th law, the law of gender, which states life works best when your divine masculine and feminine energies are in alignment. I repeat, life works best when your divine masculine and feminine energies are in alignment. And I'll be giving you in detail discussion on masculine and feminine energies which you need to keep in balance in your life. So these are the 12 elegant laws of universe on which the things are working around you. You believe me or not, there are many magical things happening around you, on whatever you are witnessing right now in your life or in life of others is based on these 12 magical laws, and you can correlate your incidents with any of these laws, and it is in the balanced condition how the things are working in the world.